Okay, let's have your hands and eyes and take a look at the smartboard. We're going to review for your WOG quiz today. Your WOG quiz will be tomorrow on Tuesday, Valentine's Day, and you will be tested over 20 words that are from your aqua, your yellow, and your purple WOD sheets. So if you haven't taken those out of your classroom folders, do that right now. So take them out of your classroom folders and put them into your take-home folders so you have those to study. And in addition, you should be using Quizlet. That's what we're going to be using today to study for your WOG quiz. I want you to open up Internet Explorer, click on that, and then in the address bar, type in www.quizlet.com. Okay, so Quizlet.com. So type that into the address bar, and then it should load and look like this page here. Once you have it loaded, I want you to go over to the top right and type in your username. It is Willy Kid, WILLYKID. Then put the period that you have science class. So if you have science class first period, it would be Willy Kid 1. If you have science class second period, it would be Willy Kid 2, and so on. So let's say I'm in first period, I'll say Willy Kid 1, and then the password is going to be tigers. The password is going to be tigers. So log into Quizlet right now. Okay. Once you've logged in, I want you to scroll down to where you see group activity. So where you see group activity, you're going to see under Mrs. Williard Science, WOD Quiz 214, that's tomorrow. Aqua, yellow, purple, those are the ones that we're going to be studying. So scroll down, find group activity, Mrs. Williard Science, click on where it says WOD Quiz 214, aqua, yellow, purple. Okay. Once you click on that, will bring up our set that we need to study. And I want you to click on test. So where it says study, in this box, click on test. Okay. You should unclick everything except for multiple choice. You're going to have a multiple choice question. Test tomorrow. So we want to practice that style. So unclick everything except for multiple choice. Then scroll down. Make sure it says 20 out of 20. Okay, that's what it should pop up as, 20 out of 20, and then click on reconfigure. Okay. So take this pretest so you can focus your areas of study this evening so you know which ones you're having a really difficult time with. And remember, the Quizlet quizzes are always a little bit easier than the Mrs. Williard quizzes. So if you think, oh, I gotta be here and I'll be okay, I still study because the actual quiz that you take is always a little bit tougher than this Quizlet WOD quiz. So take this and then let Miss Burke know how you did. If you're finished and you've shown her what you got, you need to write down on a piece of paper or in your agenda which ones you missed. Don't write down just the number of the question you missed because that won't help you study, but write down that WOD word that you missed. Okay, so it'll say that was incorrect. This is what the actual word was. Okay, so it'll show you what the correct answer was for the ones you missed. That correct answer is the word you need to write down to study because you didn't know it. So make sure you're writing those words down. And then once you're finished and you've written down the words you've missed to study for later, I want you to go back to the set page and you can play Space Race to help practice your spelling and your typing skills. Oh yeah, and your WODs. So then you can play Space Race and type in your words. So that way you can practice spelling them, practice your typing, and practice your vocabulary. So be on your best behavior for Miss Burke, and I will see you tomorrow.